I started 23 years ago almost as a fluke. Nobody really heard of Clear Bra. Nobody really knew what it was. It was sink or swim. If it wouldn't have went as well as it did, I probably wouldn't have done it. I don't know if I would have continued because it was so far out of my comfort zone. Just spent the next 3 or 4 years sitting on garage floors, getting stung by scorpions in 120-degree heat in the middle of summer, sweating like you just jumped out of a swimming pool. It was definitely something I wouldn't change. My name's Ryan Tounsley. I'm the owner of Protective Film Solutions. As we started to, grow and get bigger, what made that easier is having the partner, which is XPEL. That is really why I'm able to get where I'm at right now. And having that confidence of a manufacturer that believed in me as an owner, that was an installer, that is now pushing their brand, which has helped growing my company. Now, when you get to my decision of coming to Florida, it was perfect timing because once again, they were launching their marine division. I was like, finally, we have coatings that are made for the marine industry. Started making some phone calls, started talking to some other installers. They've got everything in place to the point that I opened the doors in Fort Lauderdale was 4.5 months. I was thinking, I'll do a couple $1,000s worth of work within the first couple months. I had no idea that the potential was as crazy as it was. To the point of, in January, I have $250,000 scheduled in marine work. It's such an untapped market. Give it another year and I would probably be 70% marine, probably 30% automotive. It's refreshing once again to see the customers. They're excited when you tell them what you can do. Don't wait any longer. Give it a shot. This is the next wave of paint protection film, window tint, ceramic coating, hands down.